see, and that's me playing my own voice over and over. I get it now. I get it. So that has to make sure nothing's playing on Twitch. But then how can I see you guys? Oh, there's 3 people. Hello. It'll start in a minute. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. If you all are having any trouble seeing me, let me know. It's 9:59. I'm starting. I have to be punctual. If you're new, feel free to speak in, chat room or ask questions. If you had a chance, I hope to see yesterday's video. That would have caught you up till today. If not, I guess you have to try to follow along. But so yesterday we learned how to, if you have any questions or want a review from yesterday, I'm going to do a quick review. Yeah, I basically showed you how to put the filters in and sort the charts, and I believe I showed you the summing, how to sum the charts. Okay, I did, but I didn't put that part in the video because that was going to be part of today's lesson. So, but before we get to that, we're going to do another thing. So see how these are all in columns, but watch how the blue square moves. So that's one cell, one cell, one cell, one cell, one cell, one cell. Oh, look at that. It crossed, it's no longer one cell. It looks like it's one huge cell, but it doesn't fit with the others. That's how you can tell this is what's happening when you have a chart. Now what's happening is, because they wanted to make the chart look pretty, as I told you, this is usually information that you're taking from elsewhere to make your own useful chart for presentations or for yourself to keep track of things, whatever. There's so many uses I would take forever to tell you. So anyway, so you want it to look pretty. That's the goal. So ordinarily you type in all the information, it's not looking pretty. This would look like this, for example. Like that. See, now all the cells are separated. There's 4. This one, you can't see it well, but see, now we have 4 cells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, actually. You can't see the line over here next to party. That's because the cell is not long enough. It's like that. Otherwise, if the cell's not long enough, there are other things you can do. But let's say it was like this. So see, it's in 2. It looks like it's in 2 cells, but that will cause you trouble. It'll confuse you, because then if you type something here, I'm just showing you how to resolve it, because these are situations you'll come into. So maybe you'll have another word here, and see, it's no longer, you can't see the first one anymore. So anyway, my point is, now we have 4 cells. So let's say you had to have them that size. So then you could go here, maybe unformat it, and then you format see, this is the one I don't know which button is, so I go the way I do it. There's probably is a button how to do it, but I go to format, alignment. Oh no, here, wrapping. This is wrapping, like if the text is too long. Here you click wrap, boom. And now it fits into the cell, and the cell adjusts itself. So the cells can automatically adjust, or you yourself, see how those 2 double-sided arrow shows? You can yourself change the size of different cells. And there's a way you can make them. Let's pretend you were you know what? Let's not go on a tangent. It's just any mistake you make can be fixed very easily, ordinarily. So if you stay calm, don't save. Like let's say you're on a chart and and you realize you made a big mistake. Don't save how it is, because you needed information from before or something. Well, one way is to just exit without saving, so it'll go back to the latest saved version. Unfortunately, if you didn't save the version, Anyway, again, I digress. So you're making the chart, you type that in, and then now I'm going to untext wrap it. Oh, here we go. It's this one. Oh, okay, right here. So then you have to pick. So I want it to overflow. Looks like it's in the middle. You can resize it automatically, but right now I'm just going to do this. I guess it's center, oh yeah, it's center justified. So you can just, anyway, my point is to get it to the middle, you click on the first cell that holds the, again, look up here. Anything up here is going to be down in the cell, in that cell. So you'll see it in both places. Anyway, so put it in there, click, left click, drag just on that row to, you know, across the chart, to the length of the chart. And then, as you might have guessed, with this button, no, I gotta get my, here it is. It's, yeah, merge, see it says merge cells. And they're different. All you have to do is press that one button. Dunk. That merged the cells. And then you can center it. That's one way to do it. There's another way. See, and now it's in the middle. And now you can make it prettier, you know, like that, or, you know, whatever. You can cross through it if you want to keep the information but know that they're off a list, but how you still want them on the list. That sometimes happens when you're planning. Things like that. So, so that's that part. Now, summing up numbers. Here, for example, we want to know how many people are coming to the party. See, this is the person we invited. We have them in the order we want. No, we don't. So I want to have it in alphabetical order by last name. You know, frontwards by alphabetical. As you can see, you have other choices. Okay, so now everything's in order. You know, that way I like it. You know, I don't have all the addresses. Sometimes you don't have the information, so you leave it blank and you're filling the chart as you go. Like today, maybe I had learned 2 more addresses, so, oh, okay, I better enter the new information. I was saying information as I was typing. It's not funny, but it shows how minds work. I was talking and typing at the same time. I typed what I was saying. Okay. What if I was, well, saying something just privately between us, but other people were lurking and would see what I'm writing? Okay, anyway. Like other people who see the video. You have to be careful. This man's number, but I didn't know his, whatever, his address yet. Things like that. And, oh, so, all right. We decided to sum up everyone who's coming to the party. Just, I like to check in case new people come. I like to let them feel welcome. And, okay, so basically review for you guys today. So to sum up the numbers in any of the columns, you go to the cell at the bottom of those numbers. See, notice where the blue is. And then click the sigma button. Over here, it looks like a sideways M over on the, I have it on the right, but of course you also are able to reorganize the buttons how you like them. It's great, you know. Anything you want to do, you can do